Hi everybody, Fogg Café. We're gonna do a Fogg Burger that you can make at home. I have Lalo with me. Say hi, Lalo. Hi. Our ingredients, we use bib lettuce, but you can use any lettuce. Salt and tomato. We use salt and pepper or tomato always. Brings a little bit of the acidity out. We use pickles, American cheese because it melts better, and a brioche bun from Lander. It's imported from Europe. Over here we have Wagyu beef. If you want to use an 80-20, something with a higher fat content, so this style of burger doesn't get too dry. Go ahead, Lalo. So we do butter first. If you have a skillet or a large saute pan, it works great. And as you can see, we smash it. Salt and pepper it. We toast the bun. While we do that, if you come over here, we're gonna assemble it. We do lettuce and tomato on the bottom. Why do we do this? Because it doesn't wreck the bun. We do that, we do pickles. The lettuce protects the bun so it's a sturdy burger and it doesn't fall apart on you or you have to flip it over. As you can see, these cook very quick, maybe 2 minutes, maybe shorter. Once they get about medium well, we slap the cheese on there, melt it, and it's great, good to go. Meanwhile, we'll take our butter toasted bun. We have chili mayonnaise right here. It's basically sambal and mayo. But you can use any, if you want to do ketchup, if you want to do whatever sauce you'd like. Oh my goodness, it's coming up the side. We do sauce on the top and we do sauce on the bottom. Why this is important is because you can't have enough burger sauce. And that way it's moist on both sides. So there we go. As you can see here, the cheese is pretty much melted. Almost melted. And this is something you can do at home. It's a different style of burger. They cook very, very quickly, so have everything else ready. The nice part is you finish the burger and you can serve everything at once. All right, Lalo, let's see it. We're gonna put the bottom on. We're gonna go burger with the perfectly melted cheese. We're gonna go top, pick, and we're done with mayo all over the plate. Thank you, guys.